So it's recording. So I have iPhone 4S here with 30-pin connector with original charging port with this iPhone 4S. And with new iPhones have lightning cable with this iPhone 5. I have my white iPhone 5 with lightning charging port. And with iPhone 4S have 30 pin. And iPhone 15 and 16 have USB-C cable with charging port. I'm just checking with this iPhone 3G have 30 pin connector with this iPhone 3G. And iPhone 4S black have another one 30 pin connector. And my iPhone 4 black. This iPhone 4 have 30 pin connector with iOS 7 on this iPhone 4. I can see here iOS 7 and iPhone 5 iOS 10, iPhone 4S iOS 9. Some old iPhones with original iPhones have 30 pin connector. And some new iPhones have lightning connector. And iPhone 15 and 16 have USB-C charging port. Some iPhones have charging port.